Hey gang, Poppy after midnight. It's July 7th, 2019. We had our 4th of July fireworks tonight. That's right, 2 days late. Uh, the Chamber of Commerce, they do it that way. They're spending the money for the pathetic fireworks show. Anyway, we had barbecue for dinner. Got a bag of charcoal. Right. And I discovered this. Read that. Non-petroleum charcoal lighter fluid. Smells like bourbon. And its burning characteristics are just like bourbon. Well, if you can't throw it in the firebox of your steamboat, I don't know what's in this stuff, but it smells like sour mash sipping whiskey. Yeah. Takes all kinds, don't it?